Do you want to know how you can change the area view on your OneXBet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the area view on your OneXBet account. Go ahead and search for onexbet.com on your browser after you open your PC and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and register yourself, and then this type of interface will appear once you have logged into your account. The next step is to click on settings, which is over here. After you click on your settings, you can see that there is an option over here on the top. Some of the views available are European view, Asian view and Italian view. If you hover around I, you can see that this version is adapted for the Asian market. You can bet on the most popular events on the Asian market. The pre-match and the live sections are combined into a sports section, and events are laid out to suit the Asian format. You can see that if you go to the Italian view, this version is adapted for the Italian market and features a new event table format in the sportsbook along with the new market names, groupings and filters. And the European view, this is the classic betting and odds format. So you have three views of area to choose from, and if you are in Asia or Italy, you can select this and your OneXBet will reload again and you will be headed to the Asian view. You can see that this is the Asian view of OneXBet, and all of the formats will be according to the OneXBet, which is used in most part of Asia. And it will make it easier for you because it will load easily. And if you are in Italy by any chance, go ahead and click on Italian view and you will get the Italian view of area. I hope this video about how you can select the area view on OneXBet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.